which terrestrial biome houses the greatest biodiversity? Letter A, tundra. Letter B, taiga. Letter C, middle latitudes. Or letter D, tropics. Maraming iba't ibang klase ng flora and fauna, different types of species in a certain biome. You'd say that its biodiversity is rich or is high, no? And so the correct choice here would be letter D, tropics, no? Or sometimes the letter would say tropical rainforest, okay? Tropical rainforest. So letter D po ang ating tumpak na choice dito, okay? So here, you have the different types of terrestrial biome, no? When you say terrestrial, these are the land biomes, okay? So here, unang-una, let's try to define them, no? From hot to cold, okay? So from hot, yung nasa baba po, ay mas maiinit na lugar, mas maiinit na biomes. As you go up, these are the colder biomes, okay? Then, from wet to dry, as you go from left to right, it gets or it becomes drier, okay? So, rainforest mo, this is very hot, but of course, these houses, the greatest biodiversity, no? Ito yung mga malalapit na sa equator. Merong common question sa left na what type of biome, in what type of biome can you find the Philippines? Your answer would be tropical rainforest. No?